Hello, Sophia. How are you? Can you hear me? Yeah? No? Maybe so? Oh, I can't hear you if you are talking.
Oh, I was on mute.
Oh, okay. Cool. I cannot see. Yeah, so it looks like um so I want to ask you what you want to do today. We can either do math or an essay, but I think it's probably a better idea to do math. You okay with that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Seem very reluctant, but it's okay. We'll have fun. I promise. Because I think the last time we did math, we did long division, right?
Yeah.
Did you? So are you still doing long division in school right now? Or
Yeah, we're still doing long division.
okay, let's do a long division problem. Let's share my screen. I don't know how to allow annotations. Enable annotation for others. Perfect. Okay, so let's say we have the 436 divided by you give me a number. What number do you want?
295.
I think that may be too big of a number. Try to keep it within 1 to 2 digits.
But I'm working on 3 digits.
On both sides?
Yeah.
Okay. You said 295?
Yeah, 295.
Wow, that's complicated. Here, let me change this then. So I'm gonna add an extra 6 on the end. Okay. So like something like this with 3 digit divided by, or 4 digit.
Oh wait, no,
by,
I meant the Oh, I thought you meant the other one.
No. Okay, well we can do 295, right? And then we'll divide that by give me a 1 digit number or 2 digit number, up to you.
53.
53. Okay. Let's try that. This one's actually not that bad. Okay, so our first number here, what is that going to be?
A 0.
Very good. And then our second number here?
A 0.
Nice. Okay, now our third number. This one's going to be a little tricky, right?
3. I need to get a...
Okay.
I need to get on my whiteboard.
So I want to teach you a little trick here. Whenever you see a number like this, you try to look at the closest pattern that you can to this. So if I were just to look at this question, I could see this number is close to 300. And this number is close to 50.
It's 4.
It's 4? Oh, okay. Well, are you sure it's 4?
Wait, 250. Oh no, I replaced the 5 for the 8.
So how much is it?
14, 17, 1, 35. That's way too high. Mhm. Mm. 12, 13. The heck? This is hard. Wait.
Really? Okay, yeah. So let me teach you the trick. So look, so you have the closest numbers to these are 50 and 300, right?
Mhm.
That makes sense? So if I was looking at this, do you think you could do this problem pretty easily? Because, well, this is how I would think of it. Whenever you have zeros on both sides, you can just cross one out or cross them out. 0 gone, 0 gone. So now this becomes 5 divided by 30. Can you do that? Is that easy?
Mhm.
What would that be?
That would 535. 6.
Very good. 6. So the number is going to be around 6 because we said that this number is about 50 and this number is about 300.
We round it.
We can't, so that's how we find approximately where we need to go.
Oh.
We don't round it when we're solving the actual problem, no. But this is just for your benefit to find out which one we do. So what I would do is I would go a number below, then the number, and then number above. When you get to do this more, you can recognize the pattern. The pattern here is 295 is less than 300. So we want to go below the number that we calculated. So we calculated 6, we want to go 5. Does that make sense? Because this one is smaller than that. Have you learned this sign yet?
It's like flipped. It's like inverted.
What, this sign?
No, my screen. Anyways, let's see.
Yeah. So what would the remainder be? Now I have to calculate
So
that,
the
right?
remainder, we would put
So 5 times
the
2?
number that equaled that equaled the 53 times 5 into the
Okay.
bottom.
Okay, so what's that number? How do we do that?
Well, let's see. 265.
Very good.
And then we just subtract that, and that's a 0. So our answer is 5.
Our answer is what?
No, there's none.
There's no remainder?
Oh, that 6 looked like a 9.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, that 6 looked like a 9. Here, which 2.
That's
9,
it's hard. Yeah, it's a little.
2. Because I'm on my phone right now, and my phone shows everything like small. So.
Oh. 2, 6, 5.
30.
Very good. 30. So 5 remainder 30. Nice.
What is that? Something just popped up.
Okay. You want to do another one?
Yeah.
Let's see. All right, give me a number. Big number.
101,395.
1,395.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And divided by 38.
Divided by 38.
Mhm.
Okay. So how are we going to start this?
So I'm gonna do it on my piece of paper. Let me write it down.
All right.
8, 1, 3, 9, 5. So we have to put a 0 on top.
Okay.
And then another 0.
All right.
And then let's try to figure this one out. 8 times 4, 41 or 45?
3 times 4.
No, 8 times 4.
8 times 4 is 32.
Oh. No, it's way too big.
It's okay. Sometimes I completely forget and then I'm lost for hours. I pull out my phone and get my calculator. So this is what I would do. So for this one, the closest number to this to 38 is what?
114. Wait, is that?
114 is the closest to 38. No, I mean, actually,
Isn't it?
3. So wait, what number would go up here?
3.
3. Very good. So when we multiply it out, we get 114. Right, yeah.
And then,
And then what do we do? Okay, minus it, and then what do you get?
You have to put down 5, and then for the and that's a 0, and then we have to bring down 5.
Okay.
After that, we have to see how many times 38 can go into 255. And let's see. What's 8 times 6?
You tell me. So if 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 4 is 32.
What if I just search it up?
No. Okay, actually, here. The easiest table to memorize is the 5 times table, right?
Yes.
Right? So if you know 8 times 5 is what?
8 times 5 is 40.
40. So 8 times 6 is just 40 plus 8. Very good. There you go.
Oh, thank you. 48 and 48, 4, 3, 6. Close, not quite there. 48, 49, 50, 51. It's 228.
228.
Yes. And then we put the 6 on top. Ow.
Okay. And then now what? What's the remainder?
Virus thing or whatever keeps on popping up. Anyways, that turns into a 4, and then that turns into a 15. 7. And then we have to bring back, we have to add another 1
Why?
to 14.
Wasn't this 20? 28, 228?
Oh, okay. That looked like a 7 again. Then 2.
Yep. Nice. And so our remainder is
27.
very good. You're good at this. I don't need any help with math either. Are long division problems the only one you're working on right now, or are there any other topics?
Yeah, that's it. Because there's a lot of kids in my class who don't get it either.
You seem like you get it.
Yeah, I'm the only people out of 6 groups who get it. I'm one of the people in the 6 groups that get it.
It's good.
Because I was actually paying attention. Everybody
Okay.
else was on their phones.
Y'all have phones in 5th grade?
Yeah, I'm using my
Oh.
phone right now.
Oh my goodness, I got my first phone when I was 18.
18.
Yeah,
Oh my god.
crazy, right?
I thought it would
Okay.
be like.
Huh?
Thought it would be like much sooner because a lot of kids in my class got phones at a young age too. So I thought it was normal.
Yeah, you kids these days need to play outside more. You need to go run and.
For like a few hours or something. Then I went inside and I got this scrape.
Oh, sorry.
One
There's a study that's correlating exercise with a decreased risk of stroke. So you should get up for at least every 30 minutes. You should get up at least once.
A
So you
stroke?
don't get, yeah.
It's
So
one of those like where it stops you from moving or something.
kind of, it's basically a clot in your brain, and it causes there to be ischemia, which means no blood. So you have no blood in your brain, and then you're freaking out because your brain needs blood, and then that's not good for you. Okay, off topic. Let's do another one. Let's say, okay, give me a big number.
270 and 276.
276. All right.
I don't know why I keep on thinking twos.
That's fine. And now we can divide it by something.
I will divide it by 89.
89. Okay.
All right, so 0. Oh, God. Another 0.
Mm-hmm.
And let's figure this out. Oh my God, my crayon keeps on flying everywhere. I honestly think I don't need these classes anymore.
I think you're very good at this.
Yeah.
I can start teaching you harder material if you want.
Huh?
I can start teaching you harder stuff or more interesting stuff if you want. I only am teaching this because Linda said that you need help with math, but because you don't
I
like
don't
it.
really anymore because my grades are going up.
Oh, it's good. I'm glad to hear it. Do you like math anymore, or do you like math now?
I hate math.
You hate math. Why do you hate math?
Well, it's basically just because of my math teacher.
Oh, you don't like the teacher, but do you like math? When you doesn't it feel good when you get a problem right and it's just like I got this right? You don't feel that sense of pleasure?
No.
Huh. Here, how about this? If you
167.
wait, what? 167? And then it's 3, right?
Yeah. Why is that a 1?
Oh, sorry. You're right. Oopsies.
And then just go minus that. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly minus that. 2, 7, 6, 2, 6, 9, 6, 7, 7.
Very good. All right.
Is that a 9?
Oh, it's remainder 9 actually.
Wait,
Yeah.
it is? Oh.
Yeah. If you take this one, you make it 6, right? And then you have the 1 over 7 minus 6. 16 minus 7 is 9. Yay. Good job. You did that one.
You have to do.
How many more do we have to do? Actually, that was the last math problem. Now what I want to do is go over something else.
We at 8?
Yeah, we had an 8.
Oh God, that was quick.
Yeah, because you're good at this. I don't think you'd really need help on these types of math problems. Have you done multiplication and all that stuff, right?
I
And
hadn't
division?
3
Huh?
times yet.
You haven't done 3 times 3 multiplication?
Yeah,
You want to try it?
sure.
Let's try it. Let's try it. Give me 2 numbers.
2 numbers. 349
Okay, 349 times, that looks
times
like a plus.
55.
55. All right. So what's the first step when we're multiplying? We look at the first number, right? So we multiply 5 times 9.
45.
45. And then we put the 4 up here.
Then do we do 5 times 4?
Very good.
Oh, yeah.
And then 5 times 4 is
24.
24. Well, 20 plus 4 is 24.
24.
And then
And then 5 times 3.
plus,
17.
yeah, 17. Okay, now the next part's a little tricky because we're in the tens place. So this was the ones place, right? Now we're in the tens place. So in the tens place, we have to add a 0 to the ones place because now we're moving to the tens place.
So basically
5,
annexing?
yeah, index the whole thing down 1 row. Whenever you multiply by 2 numbers or 3 numbers or 4 numbers, you just index for every.
And we just times it again?
Correct. So
Oh.
the funny thing is you chose the same number, 55, so it would just be 1745 because you already did the math.
And then I'm guessing you have to times that again?
There's a times it again. Why do you have to times it again?
I don't know.
So no, once you've done the multiplication, you add them. Yep.
5, 9, 1 down, 1 and 9 there, and 1. That's a 9. And then 1.
Very good. 19195.
19,195.
Yeah. Okay, let's try another one.
All right.
I don't know how you don't like these. You seem like you're having fun.
No.
You're not having fun? I'm having fun. I'm having fun watching you have fun. Okay, give me 2 3-digit numbers.
928.
Okay. And then?
And 21.
Okay, 21, but we're gonna do 121. Okay, now how do we do this?
8 times 1 is 8. Then 2, 9. Put down a 0.
Very good.
Then 2 times 8 is 16.
Yep.
Put the 1 on top. 5.
Yeah.
And 18. Put another
10.
0, I think.
Very good. But is it just 1 0? Because we have the
2
one
0,
place.
2.
Very good. And then
8, 2, 9. And then add that up.
So what is that?
8. 17. All right. Okay. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 6. 2. No, 7.
Yep. No, you're right. 2. Wait, what number is this equal to? What number is this equal to? If you add all these together.
22. So put a
Yep.
2 on top.
So then what's this?
And then 12. 2 down there. And then regroup the 1 on top. And then 11.
Very good.
Big number.
Big number? What is that number?
112,288.
112,288. Very good. I don't know how you don't like these. You're doing so well. What is it called? Math is very fun when you know what you're doing or when you're able to do it well.
No.
No? Oh my goodness. Wait, what subjects do you like then?
Thing. Hello? Are you there?
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. What subjects do you like then?
I like science. Science is my most favorite.
Okay. What do you like about science? Don't you have to do math and science yet?
No.
Or no, not yet. Oh, okay. Eventually they become the same thing. Like you just do a bunch of math and science.
Never mind. Then I like advisory.
You like advisory? Oh my goodness, advisory goes away at some point.
Well, either way, I like advisory because you can do whatever you want.
Yeah, that's fair. Do you like English? Do you like doing English?
No.
No, you don't like English. That's fair. I didn't like English when I was in school either. But it's good to have because in America everyone speaks English. And if you don't know English well or you're not fluent,
I mean, it's not my
time.
problem, so.
It's not your problem?
Yeah.
Why not?
Because I don't really know. It's just not my problem. It's not my problem if somebody else doesn't know. It's kind of their fault. Yeah.
If they don't know English?
Yeah, it's their fault. They should have learned when they came here. It's not my fault.
That is very fair. Yes, you're saying technically is correct, but don't tell that to someone who doesn't know English. They will get very upset.
But I already did.
Who?
To my mom.
Oh my goodness, that's so mean.
I mean, she was being mean to me first. She's like, "You're always on your device all day," and she's on the device even more. I actually went outside. I go outside every day, so.
Yeah, but well, it's actually too.
Oh my God!
Early.
I didn't know my video was off.
Oh, it's actually too early to decide this. But do you have any idea what you want to do? Any dream job when you grow up?
I have a really cool room. I have a huge bunk bed.
Oh, nice.
Can you
I always
see?
wanted a bunk bed. Yeah.
Well, it's not a bunk bed. The bottom
is your desk.
Yeah, it's really messy. And then I have this blanket, and then it's my actual room.
That's pretty cool. What do you want to do when you grow up? Before I leave.
I want to be an astronaut.
You want to be an astronaut? Oh my gosh.
I actually love
so cool.
astrology.
You're gonna hate me for saying this, but you need to know math, astronomy, and
then maybe I'll just work at NASA. Just work at the NASA Employee Center.
An employee center? Nah. You could be an astronaut. You could definitely be an astronaut. You have to do a lot of.
I'm scared. I'm scared. I wanna. The only reason I want to go there is so I can see the Earth, and I want to see the sun, and I want to fly. That's why.
You should totally do it. It's very fun. You got to learn a lot of physics and science, though. Make sure you pay attention in science class.
Okay.
Because there's a lot of stuff that you have to do with that.
And I'm also scared I might die.
Well,
because I've heard really scary things about it.
There are horror stories like the Challenger explosion and stuff like that, but these days.
Do you know about Challenger Deep?
Challenger Deep?
Yeah.
No, I'm not. Maybe that's the Challenger explosion.
No,
one.
Challenger is about like on the a deep part of the ocean or something.
Oh,
I'm also
I was
scared
typing
of the
the rocket.
ocean a lot. The two biggest things I'm scared of is the ocean and space.
Yeah, but you want to be an astronaut. Fair enough. I don't know. Keep studying science and keep studying math because you'll need them. And I'm not going to say learn to love it, but eventually you'll get to a point where you're like, you'll find a really good like science teacher, like a physics teacher or something that will make you fall in love with math. I guarantee it. All right. Catch you later, Sophia.
Bye. Yep. Bye.